Question 21. It's 3 marks. It's a nice question. The question says the diagram shows a cuboid, and this is the cuboid here, 3x, y, and 2x. Now they said the cuboid measures 3x by 2x and y, okay. The volume is 1014 and the total surface area is A. Show that A equals 12x squared plus 1690 divided by x. Alright, that's a very good question. You can pause and try it yourself. Now, I'll first ask myself, why did they give me the volume here? Now, what's the volume of the cuboid? The volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. So the volume is this 1014. 1014 is equal to the length is 3x times the width, let's say it's y, times the height is 2x. Let's just write it. Now 1014 is equal to 3x times y times 2x is 6x squared y, isn't it? Yeah, 3 times 2 is 6, x times x is x squared, and then y. Now this is very good. I don't need all this, I just erase it. Now, have you noticed the area here? It just includes x's, it doesn't have y. So what I will do now is I'll make y the subject here. I'll divide by 6x squared, divide by 6x squared, to cancel the 6x. So y equals 1014 divided by 6x squared. 1014 divided by 6 is equal to 196. And then the x squared stays down there. So we got y equals 196 divided by x squared. That's very good. Let's leave it like that. Now I'll start finding the surface area. The surface area is to find the area of the front face, the area of the back, the area of the right, left, up, and down. Let's do it here. So what's the area of this front side? The area of this is 3x times this, which is 2x. 3x times 2x is 6x. And the area of the back side is also going to be 6x. Alright, that's good. Let's find the area of the right side. This one here. This is 2x times y, which is 2xy. And the area of this one here is also going to be 2xy. That's amazing. That's a very good job. We did a lot. Now let's find the area of the top. This one. This is 3x and this is y, isn't it? So it's 3xy. The area of the one down here is going to be similar. So it's also 3xy. Yeah. Now, what I will do, I'll now add these areas. 3xy and 3xy makes 6xy. So let's say area equals 6xy plus 2xy plus 2xy is 4xy plus 6x and 6x. 6x squared, isn't it? Because 3x times 2x is, yeah, it's 6x squared and 6x squared, so it's 12x squared. Now the area equals 6xy plus 4xy is 10xy plus 12x squared. Do you remember we had y equals 196 divided by x squared? So I'll now, instead of y, I write this value. So your area will be 10x. Instead of y, I'm going to write the value of y, which is 196 divided by x squared, and then plus 12x squared. Let's bring the x squared first. So it's going to be 12x squared plus. Now let's cancel. This is x and this is x squared. So the one of the x's down there will cancel. So you'll have 196 times 10, which is 1960. And there is an x down here. And if you look at the question, this is exactly what they ask you to prove. So it's 12x squared plus 1960 divided by x. We got it, and that's the 3 marks. Was it easy?